Hi, this is Raman Gill. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today we'll take a look at head and shoulders trade setup. Head and shoulders is a reversal pattern and we are looking for price to move lower. So in this case, price would have been moving up. So we would have a bullish move, but then price loses the steam. So market does not have the momentum to carry it forward. And instead we get a head and shoulders trade setup, which identifies the level where price is likely to drop from. So let's go on to the charts. We'll take a look at what a head and shoulders trade setup looks like, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and as always, how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we are looking at an inverse head and shoulders trade setup. This is pound US dollar 15-minute chart. An inverse head and shoulders trade setup basically looks like this. We have a head in the middle, which is the lowest point that the price has reached in a trade, and then we have a left shoulder, which is a little bit higher than our head, and then right shoulder, which is approximately at the same level as our left shoulder, just on the right hand side. So what this setup shows us is that price tried to break down, go lower, but then it got pushed back up. It tried once again, but it wasn't even able to reach the same level, and so it stayed higher and the buyers stepped in. So this is a bullish reversal pattern and we are looking for price to move up higher. So in this case, we have to wait for our head and shoulders to form first. So in this case, our shoulder will be formed first, then the head, and then we get right shoulder here. So once we see this type of an engulfing candle close here, a bullish candle close, and price fails to go lower, so now we have a higher low. This is an indication that price is likely to move higher. So in this case, we can either take an entry at the close of this bullish engulfing candle, or we can wait till price goes to the other side of the neckline here. This is the neckline, or you can wait for this entry here. So either way, it's up to you which entry you want to take, but I do like this one. I like the bullish engulfing candle close. That's a very solid close. So we take the entry long here, and our stop would go below the pin here. We always want to make sure we give the trade enough room to breathe, just in case price tries to come back again, and we are looking for price to move up higher. And as we can see, price goes up. All we see is our green candle, so we stay with the price, and then as price comes into this next level of support and resistance, price starts to move sideways, and as we can see, it's just not able to make a new high. Once that happens, once we see that the price is just going sideways, we can exit the trade here. From entry to exit, we get 87 pips in the trade. So just to recap, a head and shoulders trade setup, or an inverse head and shoulders trade setup, is a bullish reversal pattern. We are looking for a left shoulder and then a head, that is the lowest point that the price has reached, and a right shoulder, which is approximately at the same level as the left shoulder. So we're looking for a bullish candle close here. We're looking for a strong signal, and once we get this bullish candle close here, we enter the trade long and we stay with it for as long as the price is moving higher. Once we see that the price starts to go sideways and it's just not able to break any higher here, we can exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 87 pips in the trade. So our profit is 87 pips, or $870 if we are trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more great trade setups like this, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today. I will see you next time.